Remarketing is a powerful tool in digital advertising, allowing businesses to reconnect with potential customers who have already shown interest in their product or service. Google Display Ads offers two key types of remarketing that can help influence customer consideration: dynamic remarketing and standard remarketing. Both options are valuable in different ways depending on your advertising goals. Dynamic remarketing takes remarketing to the next level by showing customized ads based on the specific product or services that visitors have previously viewed on your website. So, for example, if someone visits a clothing store online and looks at a pair of shoes, dynamic remarketing will allow you to show them an ad with that exact pair of shoes or similar items as they browse other websites on the Google Display Network. This highly personalized approach makes it easier to re-engage potential customers and encourage them to complete their purchase. It works well when you have a wide range of products or services and want to remind users of exactly what caught their attention. Standard remarketing is a more traditional form of remarketing. With this method, you show ads to people who have already visited your website but haven't made a purchase or taken the desired action. These ads aren't personalized based on what the person viewed, but rather are general reminders to bring users back to your website. Standard remarketing is less targeted than dynamic remarketing, but still effective for staying on a potential customer's radar. It works well for businesses with similar or simpler offerings, or for those wanting to cast a wider net and stay top of mind. Dynamic remarketing is best for businesses that offer a variety of products or services and want to show personalized ads to users based on their past behavior. Standard remarketing works well for businesses looking to re-engage visitors with general reminder ads, especially if you're not yet ready to use personalized ads. Both types of remarketing are effective ways to influence customer consideration, but understanding how they differ can help you choose the right strategy for your business. Remarketing on the Google Display Network is an excellent way to bring back users who are already familiar with your brand. Whether you go with dynamic or standard remarketing depends on your products, goals, and how personalized you want your ads to be. By using these strategies, you can increase the likelihood of turning website visitors into loyal customers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.